Hello friends, welcome to class 4, subject EVS 1, chapter number 24, Are we endangering our environment?
In part 1, we learn about the progress made by human beings, a growth in population, and now in this part we are going to learn about groundwater is drying up and the traditional methods used for drawing the water. Groundwater is drying up. As we all know, water is an important source for all living things, and we need water for keeping ourselves and our houses clean. So, water is not needed only for cleaning and drinking. It is the main and important thing which is needed for all living beings and especially for the plants to grow. Water is also used for cleaning, cooking, farming, and for industry and constructional areas. As the rainy season ends, the water in rivers decrease. Many villages face problem of scarcity of water. Scarcity means shortage of water. The population keeps growing. The rainfall, however, remains the same. So we face problem of shortage of water. Now the use of pumps to lift the groundwater has become widespread. Widespread means distributed to large number of people or area. Because of extreme level of growth in population, we are not only facing the scarcity of water, but we are also facing the severe problem of shortage of food. As the population is increased day by day, there is a demand for food is more rather than the supply. The food produced in the country began to fall short of the needs of the growing population. Because of the extreme population, there is a shortage of food as well. In few countries and villages, people are still facing the shortage of water and food, as there are big families but less number or less quantity of food and water available in that particular areas, which is not a good sign at all. Our scientists then developed the improved methods of farming. Earlier it was only a one crop in the year, but now because of the efforts taken by the scientists, there are three crops in a year, and it needs a lot of water as well. Traditional methods of drawing water. In this part, let's learn about the old methods or techniques which were used to draw water from the wells. Earlier, rainy season water was sufficient for the crops to grow. But now, as there are 2 to 3 crops every year, rainy water is not sufficient for the crops and there is a shortage of water for the crops. Rainwater that has seeped into the soil can be used in this situation. Water found in wells and borewells is nothing but rainwater that has seeped into the ground. In the Konkan region, there are groves of coconut, betel nut, and bananas. They were watered using the water wheel to lift water from the wells. It supports a large wooden wheel which turns around. This wheel is called rahat. A chain of several pots, gadge, is fixed on the rahat and the rahat turns. Each gadge gets filled up, comes up and turns over, and the water gets poured into a channel. This traditional method of drawing water is known as rahat gadge. A mott is a large leather bag. It is lowered into the water at the end of a rope. When it is full, it is lifted out of the well. Bullocks move to and fro on a ramp to lower the mott and lift it. Nowadays, mott is used in a very few places in Maharashtra. Old methods of irrigation have replaced to the new technologies which are being made or introduced by a human. So fields are watered using diesel or electric pumps. These mechanical pumps can lift many times more water than the mods ever could. Besides this, one crop is taken every year. The pumps are used to lift water even after the rainy season. As a result, the water stored underground is getting used up rapidly. I hope you have understood the lesson. Are we endangering our environment very well? Thank you.